Hello everyone, Barry Anderson here from Trade Ideas with the stock of the day. You know, guys, I'm telling you, it's been a pretty tough market, I think, to find trending stocks. And so the AI did find this one. And I do want to highlight this one because there are a couple things going on. So this was a short, INTZ. INTZ was a short at 2113. And this is the opening 15-minute candle. And so from 2113, now when we first saw this one, the spread was awful. It was about a 40, 50-cent spread, but then it tightened up. So it did give you an opportunity to get in, when the spread wasn't too bad. And then look what happened. This is almost straight down from 2113 all the way down to 1910 before that candle popped up. Now, the AI, is it out of the trade? It is out of the trade, but I think it's out of the trade at, let's see, 2058. Yeah, so what we tell people is that, look, if you want to auto trade, maybe the entries, but manage the exits on your own. Because where the AI got out of the trade was at 2058. So right up here, okay? I think that's too much. You're giving up a dollar and a half. I'm not saying you could get out exactly at the bottom, but when you start to see bottoming tails like this on a 15-minute chart, remember what this means. The sellers were, knocked it down here. The buyers took it up here. The sellers tried again to knock it down, and the sellers took it up. The buyers took it up. The minute you see that, to me, you've got to start taking some profit, okay? And instead of letting it run another dollar before it got out. The other thing to take a look at, as I was pointing out in the room, when you look at the daily chart, almost to the penny, because I was saying to people, okay, if you're in this trade, check this daily chart. Look, the low is 1901 right there, and the low is 1907. So almost to the penny. I was saying, just keep an eye on this 19 level because it could bounce off that. And, that's exactly what it did. So, there are all sorts of different ways to use the AI, but I would be managing the exits on your own. I think you'll maximize profits a lot better doing it that way. All right, want to get back into the room. So let me just close down this chart. If you have any questions for me, here's the email address you can use. The link to the free room. I will open the room tomorrow at 9 o'clock Eastern Time. I hope to see you then. Bye-bye.